YouTube, my family and my friends. Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And today we will be working with this Rosary and Cross Rhinestone multi-design template. So this template includes multiple. Did I include? I'm not quite sure if I included a sublimation part for this as well. But if it's over here without any stones, then 9 times out of 10 I did. I'll check here in a second. Alright, so the design altogether is 8.953 inches in width by 13.339 inches in height. Alright, so the first thing that you'll want to cut out here is the vinyl outline. And what you'll do, I'll drag the vinyl outline over. I'm just doing this just to show y'all that everything fits and everything fits perfectly. Alright, so we got the vinyl outline here, and everything is already mirrored. So the vinyl parts are already mirrored. You do not have to mirror the rhinestone parts. You want to cut them out right reading. Alright, so we have the first part, which is the vinyl outline. Now this right here, what I call the flock inside, it is called the flock inside simply because rhinestones cannot go on regular vinyl. So it has to go on top of flock. Flock is the only material that I have tried that the rhinestones adhere to and stay adhered to wash after wash, because the flock has those fibers in it that the rhinestones will adhere to. So I'm going to drag this over and place it right here. We're going to change it a different color just for now. So if you don't plan on putting any color underneath the rhinestones, then the flock inside part is not needed. You won't use that part. But if you do plan on putting flock underneath the stones, then that works perfect. Now, what I do, y'all, let me tell y'all what I do. What I do is I try to condense the files so that you can save vinyl. So a lot of people say all the time, it don't fit, and it does. Like, you know what I mean? Like, once you cut this out in vinyl, you're going to cut it. You're going to cut these pieces, right? So you're going to cut them and place them where they go. So if I were to, I'm just breaking this apart to show y'all, after you cut it, then you can take and place this piece here, and take this piece and place this piece here, like so. Everything will always fit, y'all. Boom. Alright? So that's the vinyl outline with the flock inside. Right? And here's the stone. So if you cut out the stone part, right? We're going to grab the stones and we're going to drag them over here. Well, let me make a copy. Alright, so once you cut out the stone part, then you would take the stone part and do the exact same thing. You will brush all the stones into the design. Brush all the stones into the design. Pick them up with the tape. After you pick them up with the tape, you will do this. You will cut out that cross. Place those stones there, like so. Okay. Then next, you will grab. Well, you will cut out these stones here. Simply place them where they go. And I do it like this, trust me, to save vinyl for you guys, because you know, you guys don't want to waste vinyl, you know, cutting out the whole thing when you can cut it out, brush the stones in, you know what I mean, and then pick up the tape and then just cut the parts that you need and place them where they go. I learned this over time. I was wasting a lot of rhinestone flock by cutting out the whole thing when I could have saved inches, you know what I mean? So I do it like this to help y'all to save inches. And here's this piece right here. So basically, after you pick them up with the tape, you're just going to cut them with your scissors, like, you know what I mean, and place them where they go. Everything will fit. This part down here, this is for the rest of it, which go right in here, like so. Boom. So after you cut them out off of the transfer sheet, you place them right where they go. Boom. Okay. So I just wanted to show y'all that part. But the rhinestones do go last. The rhinestones definitely go on last. Here's the vinyl hands, of course. They fit right into place as well. And then here's the vinyl inside, which adds that extra color. So, once again, once you cut your vinyl out and you weed it, you just want to take your scissors and cut these pieces. You know, all of these pieces right here can, I believe, can stay together. Hold on. So you'll cut off this section here. Boom. And actually, you'll just want to cut off those two. And then this piece right here, you can cut that and place that over here. Alright? If you're liking the video so far, please smash the like button. Smash that like button. Also, this Rhinestone template is available in the link down below, where you can go purchase it now for 70% off. Follow this guide and put this shirt together. You know what I mean? So here's this piece. We'll put that right there. Now I could have kept it all together, but you know, it still would have been the same amount of work. You know what I mean? You still, trust me, you still, after doing a few presses, vinyl shrinks. So you still would have ended up cutting these pieces just to get it to, you know what I mean? You'd have been like, oh, you'll cut it. You'll cut it just to get it to fit right. And now we're just fitting these pieces in there where they go. Alright? A lot of people, they hit me up and they're saying, it don't fit, it don't fit. And I'm like, yes it does. I mean, look at this. 8.977 by 13. If I would have did all the rest of these, like this one would have been 6.226 by 13. Or nope, it would have been wider than that. It would have been 8.977 by 13. All of this would have been 8.977, 8 point something by, it would have been 13 inches. So I had to condense it so that it could fit on 11.5 inch or smaller vinyl. Alright? So that's this design. I just showed you, you guys, that all the pieces fit. Now let's proceed to cut them out using our Cricut. So we'll go into Cricut. Of course, we'll go to Upload. Alright, I'm going to add Upload Image. Let's browse for the file. And it is Rosary. So let me just open up my Rosary folder. Rosary and Cross, to be exact. it is. Rosary and cross. So when you open it up, the guide is here, and you're only using the guide as reference to see what size to make each part. Alright? Most people try to upload the guide and then break everything apart, and I'm like, no, you don't have to do that. Use the guide only as reference to what size to make each piece. Alright? So the first piece I like to cut out is our vinyl outline. So I'll click on the vinyl outline in the SVG folder and I'll open it. There it is. It opens here. I'll hit upload. And there it is. It's uploaded. I'll click on it. Add to canvas. When it gets added to the canvas, it comes in at 8.975 by 13.364. Let's check the guide. It's supposed to be 8.977 by 13.364. So it got one part of it right, but then it messed up on the other part. These numbers have to be exact in order for everything to fall into place and work right. So let's change this up here. Make sure that it's unlocked. Now let's change this to 8.977. I like to double triple check sometimes. 8.977 by 13.364. We're good. Alright. I like to click off of it and click back on and make sure. 8.977 by 13.364. And we can hit make it. Now we want to load whatever color vinyl we have onto our mat. You know what I mean? And proceed to cut this part out. Alright. Next part that you want to cut out is, let's go back into our upload. Upload image. Let's browse. And let's go back to our Rosary folder. Now we can cut out the vinyl inside as well. That's not the... Oh. Okay, so I did mess up right there. Okay. Let's fix that right now. Let me fix that right now. So this vinyl inside. Let's export that SVG into the Rosary. Boom. And let's just I'm just about to double check these files real quick. Let's see here. Okay, wait a minute. Alright, so that's the guide. That's the flock inside. Okay. The stones group. Stones ungroup. The vinyl hands, okay, the vinyl inside, okay, there go the flock inside, and then the vinyl outline. Alright, cool. So now, when we're in our Cricut and let's replace this image, browse, go back into our Rosary folder. And now, the vinyl inside. That's what it should look like. Okay. Upload that. Click on it. Add the canvas. Now that it's added to the canvas, we want to check and see what our measurements are based on our guide. And that's supposed to be 6.226 by 9.612. So that one came in perfect. We'll hit make it. We'll choose whatever color vinyl we're using, and we'll cut that out. Moving right along, moving right along. So next piece you will want to cut out. And actually, we already have it open here, so we can just drag and drop it. So next piece we want to cut out is, of course we want to cut out the vinyl hands. So you want to drag and drop the vinyl hands into there. And there they are. Upload, of course. Click on it. Add to canvas. Remember, double check with the guide. See what it's supposed to be. 3.456, 6.749. And this one says 6.75. So let's change that to 6.75. Like so. We'll hit make it. Choose what color vinyl you want for the hands. And cut it. Alright. Moving right along. Moving right along. Next we'll want to, let's upload image. Let's see here. Next we'll want to cut out the Rhinestone Flock. So we'll go to our stones group and drag that in, like so. There it is. Let's hit upload. Click on it. Add to canvas. And now that it's uploaded, we want to double check with the guide. 8.354 by 10.767. This is 8.353, so let's change that to 8.354 by 10.767. And there it is, folks. Uh-oh. See, that's why I like to click off of it and click back on it. 8.354 by 10.767. So let's unlock it here. 8.354 by 10.767. There it is. Let's hit make it. Add our flock to our board. I forgot what the board is called. That's crazy. Add it to the board and cut it, and you're ready to go. Once it comes out, you pretty much brush all the stones in, and then you'll pick it up with tape. You put that tape back onto the backing sheet, and then you'll cut out the sections that you need to place them where they go in the design. So with this one design, you'll be able to make shirts like this. Uh-oh, hold on. Here we go. You'll be able to make shirts like this. Different colors, different variations. And I believe that I do, let's see here. No, inside that folder there was no sublimation. So all of this can be achieved with simply just vinyl and rhinestones. However many colors you want. I think I only did like eight different mock-ups. Yeah, but you can choose whatever color vinyl you want to cut out, whatever color stones you want to use. Whether you want to cut out that inside flock part and put white flock up under these white stones. You know what I mean? The possibilities are endless. If you definitely like this video and this video has helped you to put together these styles and create that shirt, please leave a comment down below and let me know how I did. And I'm out.